The future isn't coming, it's already here. And it's shaped like a teardrop. Meet the Hyundai Ioniq 6, a car that doesn't just drive, it flows. Inspired by streamliners of the past and powered by the technology of tomorrow, the Ioniq 6 is Hyundai's boldest electric sedan yet. In this video, we'll take you on a full journey through its design, performance, tech, and soul. Welcome to Cars Enigma, where today we explore the electric revolution, one curve at a time. The Ioniq 6 isn't just designed, it's sculpted. With a drag coefficient of just 0.21, it's one of the most aerodynamic production cars in the world. The teardrop silhouette, active air flaps, flush door handles, and rear spoiler all contribute to its Streamliner identity. Inspired by classic aircraft and Art Deco curves, the Ioniq 6 blends retro elegance with futuristic minimalism. Inside, the Ioniq 6 feels like a lounge on wheels. Dual 12.3-inch displays offer seamless control and entertainment. The flat floor and extended wheelbase create generous legroom. Ambient lighting offers 64 colors and 6 themes. Sustainable materials like recycled PET and bio-based leather reflect Hyundai's eco-conscious vision. It's not just comfortable, it's calming. Under the sleek body lies a 77.4 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery paired with dual motors, producing 325 horsepower and 605 newton-meters of torque. The Ioniq 6 accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5.1 seconds. Built on Hyundai's eGMP platform, it offers rear-biased AWD for better grip and balance. The single-speed transmission delivers instant torque, making every drive feel electric in more ways than one. With a range of up to 519 kilometers WLTP, the Ioniq 6 is built for long journeys. Thanks to 800V architecture, it can charge from 10% to 80% in just 18 minutes using a DC fast charger. Home charging at 240V takes around 7.5 hours. Whether you're commuting or road tripping, range anxiety is a thing of the past. Tech in the Ioniq 6 is intuitive and immersive. Features include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice recognition, over-the-air updates, vehicle-to-load, V2L, power sharing, digital key via smartphone. The infotainment system is fast, responsive, and customizable. It's not just smart, it's seamless. Safety is central to the Ioniq 6 experience. Standard features include forward collision avoidance assist, blind spot view monitor, smart cruise control with stop and go, highway driving assist 2, 6 airbags, and reinforced body structure. It's designed to protect you, your passengers, and everyone else on the road. Hyundai's commitment to sustainability shines in the Ioniq 6. From recycled carpets to bio paint derived from vegetable oils, every detail reflects a greener future. The eGMP platform is optimized for energy efficiency, and the car's production process minimizes waste and emissions. Driving the Ioniq 6 is like gliding. The suspension absorbs bumps with grace, and cabin insulation keeps road noise at bay. The steering is precise, and the regenerative braking is adjustable. Whether in eco or sport mode, the car adapts to your mood and terrain. In Pakistan, the Ioniq 6 Electron Volt variant is priced at PKR 23 million ex-factory. Globally, trims include SE Standard Range, SE Long Range, SEL Limited AWD. Each offers unique features, from heated seats to premium audio. The value proposition is strong, especially compared to traditional luxury sedans. What does the Ioniq 6 stack up? Tesla Model 3, faster but less refined interior. Polestar 2, Scandinavian style but shorter range. BMW i4, sportier but pricier. The Ioniq 6 wins on design, comfort, and charging speed. It's the underdog that's now leading the pack. Owners praise the Ioniq 6 for its quiet ride, futuristic looks, and tech features. EV communities are growing in Pakistan, with Ioniq 6 owners sharing tips, mods, and charging hacks. It's more than a car, it's a movement. Hyundai is already working on next-gen battery tech, autonomous driving, and even solar integration. The Ioniq 6 is just the beginning. Expect more range, smarter systems, and even bolder designs in future models. The Hyundai Ioniq 6 isn't just a car, it's a statement. A blend of art, science, and sustainability. If you're ready to embrace the future, this is your ride. Subscribe to Cars Enigma for more deep dives, reviews, and electric adventures. Drop a comment below. Would you choose the Ioniq 6 over Tesla? Until next time, stay charged, stay curious.